So first we turn the crank to cylinder 3 top dead center. Yes, there should be 2 top dead centers, so we'll examine it, examine the position of the hole in the crankshaft where the pin goes, and we'll go from there. So let's see. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the numbering. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and this is the front of the vehicle. So I'm going to turn it so that this thing reaches top dead center. I'm going to in the crankshaft pin hole here to see if the thing lines up. So it doesn't. So I have to turn this to the other top dead center, which I will now do. Let's see now. Wait, there was more than. There you go. Maybe I had it. I think I almost have it. Yep. So I'm going to turn the engine around. Just to get a view of the crankshaft locking pin hole, which is this guy over here. And I'm going to put the crankshaft locking pin in there. Okay, now make sure that it doesn't rotate, so it should be locked in place now. Yep. So there you have it. Now it's in the right position.